it's Lynette here. So I'm bulk filming today, so you might recognise the hair and the top from recent videos. Anyway, I wanted to pop on and tell you about this fantastic small business that I've found, and it all came about through TikTok. I was on TikTok, saw the girl, got in touch, and actually bought some of her products. And I did say to her, was it okay if I kind of opened them up on YouTube, and she was delighted with that. So they came all packaged lovely, you know, they came packaged really nicely, wrapped in the tissue paper with the sticker. However, I've obviously had to open it, and there was some of those packing things in there, the ones that are actually really environmentally friendly because they dissolve in water. Don't put them down your sink though, it freaks me out, because I think, what if it actually clogs up your sink at some point and you've got to get the plumber out? Anyway, that's all I've got to say on that. It freaks me out, the thought of people doing it. I've done it a couple of times just to try it, but there is a slight sludge, so don't do that. Now I'm going to show you. So these wax melts, they're 2 ounce pots, and they were £2.50 each, and I've got 4 pots for £10, and it was £3 postage and packaging. It really arrived very quickly, and she kept me updated through TikTok on like what had been delivered. So I'm just going to go through them. I will share a link to her page, because these just look fantastic and they smell amazing, and I'm actually going to show you the benefits of these ones. So when I say, now I'm hoping I'm saying it right, it looks like Gelli, but I think it's Gelli Delli wax melts. So the tubs come like this, and it's like, have you ever been into Lush at Christmas time and they do the Santa's belly, the shower gel? That's what it reminds me of. Oh, it smells absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. So this one is Snow Fairy, so it does smell like the Lush Snow Fairy, and it's jelly wax melt. So Gelli Delli, the name, the clues in the name. So you can actually break off bits, you don't have to use the whole thing. On her TikTok page, she put quite a few together, just tore chunks off and threw different ones in. But it smells amazing. So what is the advantage of the jelly wax melt? Well, first, the only reason you would really buy them is the fact they're so easy to clean. I will show you, I will go down later on and pop this in my wax burner. I've recently got into wax burning, but I've never had a jelly one before. I feel like a kid in a sweet shop. Don't eat them. They taste nice enough to eat, but don't eat them. So yeah, I'm going to show you the advantages when it dries. So it melts like a regular wax melt does, but when it dries, you just peel it out the burner. That's all you do. You don't have to use loads of paper or cotton wool. You don't have to try running it under hot water or burning it with a candle. You just pick it off. So the next part of my video, once I've showed you my little pots, will be me actually doing that. Oh, it just smells amazing. And I'll share our webpage, because I just think it's really important, especially now, to share and support small businesses. Of course, I'm still buying things from Amazon, but where I can buy things from other places, I'd rather do that. So this next one is Avo Bath. I don't know if you've been into Lush and smelt it, but it smells phenomenal. It's just that funky green colour. Quite a lot of the people who are doing wax melts at the moment do Avo Bath. All I can describe it is, I am rubbish at describing scents, but to me it smells fizzy. Does that make any sense? Like, it's a fizzy smell. It's the only way I can describe it, like a sherbety fizzy smell. It's gorgeous. I'm a weird way sitting sniffing these. If you've got a thing about weird noises like me, it might put you off this video. My son says he can always hear me breathing in the videos. It freaks him out. It calls me Darth Vader. This one is Karma. I think that might be another Lush one. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It smells, I would describe it like the Avo Bath. It smells kind of really unisex. This is something that I think, if you got in a shower gel, your husband would nick it. Oh, it just smells gorgeous. So that's Karma. And the one that I really wanted to try, because it's my favourite scent of all times, it's the Yankee Fluffy Towels. Now, Obviously these aren't Yankee, but it is the Fluffy Towel scent. Oh, this one's delicate, but if you've ever smelt Fluffy Towels from Yankee Candle, you'll know what I mean. It's got a really subtle, delicate scent, but it's beautiful. Look at that though. Yeah, don't keep it around your kids. They might eat it. Oh, it just smells amazing. That is gorgeous. Now, if you're looking for a really strong scent, I would say out of the 4, Karma and Avobath and the Snow Fairy. Snow Fairy is very, very sweet. But I love it. It smells like foam bananas, sweet as you used to get. The Fluffy Towels is really, really lovely. It's a nice, soft, delicate scent, just a bit like the Yankee Candle one. So I'm really looking forward to trying these. So I will show you how they burn, and I will show you how they pop out the pot, and let me know what you think below. I'll pop our website in the description. I didn't get paid for doing this. I didn't get any free products. I just asked her if I could show it on my YouTube channel, just like supporting small businesses, which is why I did the Mimic Gifts one and got the thumbs down. How can you thumbs down a bath ball? Anyway, there they are there. Thank you for watching. Oh, I need to keep doing my secret giveaway, don't I? I'm really hyping this up. I need to put something good in the secret giveaway. So, the secret giveaway is just going to be today about the products. Which one was your favourite? Which one do you like the sound of? I know you can't smell it, and I really wish you could. The Karma, you probably can smell. It is amazing. So yeah, which one sounds like your favourite wax melt? And have you ever seen these before? So yeah, that's all you have to do. Don't tell me you want to enter, because I already know you want to enter. I already know you're subscribed because you're staying to the end and watching this, and that's part of the deal. So anyway guys, thank you for watching, and in the next part I'll show you how it melts. See you soon. Bye. So I'm just going to show you, this is what the pots are like when they're open. The smell is absolutely amazing before you even burn it. Now you don't put this whole pot in. You can actually take chunks from this and chunks from another and mix it up like you would do with any kind of wax melt. But I'm going to need my 2 hands, so I'm going to break some bits off and then pop it in the wax melt. So as you can see, I kind of just teared a chunk out, and you're left with all this as well. So I'm going to light it. I've got a candle that burnt out on me, so I'm hoping it lights okay. Pop it under, and then I'm going to come back in a few minutes and let you see what it looks like and let you know what it smells like. So this is it burning away, and it smells amazing. It's completely liquid now, and you see from that little bit I put in, it actually, you know, there's a lot of wax there, so that little pot will last me ages, and the smell is absolutely gorgeous. It's not overpowering, but you can smell it. It's beautiful. Okay, so I finally got down to filming this bit. Now, what I would say is make sure that your candle has gone out, and that this is definitely cooled down, because as you can see, it still kind of looks liquidy. But here's the best part. That's how you change it. You just take it out like that. And the smell lasts for ages. And as you can see, it's just a tiny wee chunk that I've put in, and it lasts for ages. So for the money, they're absolutely amazing. And once I finally get around to using them up, I will definitely be ordering some more. So let me know if you're going to go and order these, or what you think, but they're the best kind of like wax melts I've ever seen, and they're jelly and I love them.